Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through the UK. Get ready to discover the 5 best places to visit that will make your trip absolutely magical. Let's dive in. Number 1. London. London is a city that needs no introduction. From the iconic Buckingham Palace to the cultural haven of the British Museum, there's something for everyone. Don't miss out on a walk through Hyde Park or a night out in the West End to catch a spectacular theater show. Number 2. Edinburgh. Edinburgh is a city steeped in history and culture. Explore the medieval Old Town and the elegant Georgian New Town, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Climb up to Arthur's Seat for a panoramic view of the city or visit during the Edinburgh Festival Fringe for a vibrant arts experience. Number 3. Lake District. Nature lovers, this one's for you. The Lake District is a paradise of tranquil lakes, rugged mountains, and picturesque villages. Whether you're hiking up Scafell Pike, the highest peak in England, or enjoying a boat ride on Lake Windermere, the natural beauty here is unparalleled. Number 4. Bath. Bath is famous for its Roman-built baths and stunning Georgian architecture. Take a dip in the naturally warm waters at the Thermae Bath Spa, or explore the majestic Bath Abbey. Don't forget to stroll through the Royal Crescent and the Circus for a taste of 18th century elegance. Number 5. Cotswolds. The Cotswolds offer a quintessentially English countryside experience. Wander through the idyllic villages of Bibury and Bourton-on-the-Water, with their honey-colored stone cottages and tranquil streams. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy the scenic beauty. So, there you have it, the 5 best places to visit in the UK. Each destination offers its own unique charm and unforgettable experiences. Which one will you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!